Swarms, comb drawing monsters. Caught this swarm on 6/8. It is now 6/28. So in 20 days, these bees have drawn out 8 frames, laid up and capped brood. It's got capped honey down in there. I mean, look at all that beautiful virgin white wax. See down in there, I don't know how well you can see, but beautiful pearly white larva. Beautiful. Comb drawing monsters is the whole point of this video. Looking for the queen because I have yet to see this girl. Need to put another box on them, which I think I will do because I have one more 8 frame deep. Pull another frame out. Easy, ladies. Didn't mean to do that. That would probably be the first frame she laid up because it's got brown cappings. Means that will be the first of her brood to actually hatch out. Sorry about that. I mean, they're already backfilling because they're out of room. Next frame has some nice brood pattern. I'll look at it a little closer when I get through with the video, but just pull one more frame out. A little bit of wonky comb, a little bit more wonky comb, loaded with eggs. As you see, they're backfilling there, so she's already running out of room. So guess what? I will put another box on this young lady and see what she can do from there. Even though the flow's about at the end, I'll move all of that honey up to the box I'm getting ready to put on there and put the frames that have drawn comb down below. Just a little quick tip video. When you have swarms, pour the comb to them or pour the foundation to them and they will draw it out. Especially if it's a primary swarm, you'll have to worry about them swarming again in about a month and a half. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.